Okay, I kinda did a bad thing, maybe. Depends on how you look at it, really. So, instead of paying off a credit card, I ordered silver and gold. So I ordered on 12/9 and sent a check. They just received it today, the 18th. And I ordered 3. There was only 3 available of the Privateer series. So I've got number 2, number 3, and number 5. At relatively decent prices. I'm not sure which size actually holds it, so I bought several different ones. And I also bought a little thing for the 1-ounce silver bars that sometimes I have that I sell online. In true fashion, though, sometimes when I can't make up my mind, where do I want to order? See, the total was $145.59. So, do I want to order the 3 silver coins, which would be 6 ounces of silver, or do I want to order a 1/10 ounce Canadian gold maple leaf gold coin? Well, since I can't make up my mind which one I wanted, I went ahead and ordered them both. I'm so weak. I think I'm beginning to see why I never have any money. I also ordered the tube for it as well. But I am noticing something. Wow, I must have got the last one. It holds 50 coins. That'll be what, 5 ounces? At $141.26. That's $7,063 to fill that tube up. So I went ahead and ordered a 1/4 ounce American Gold Eagle tube, although the Gold Eagles are a tiny bit. Wow, did I get the last one of those as well? They only hold 40 coins. So if you used the 1/4 ounce, let's find the cheaper 1/4 ounce. Looks like this one is. quantity 338. 338, 16 times 40. That would be 13,526.40 to fill that tube up. So I would probably never get that tube filled up. That's a huge difference in the buyback price, though. And that would be 10 ounces. So that would be cheaper per ounce to buy them that way. Of course, it would be cheapest per ounce to buy 1 ounce coins. And it would even be a little cheaper to buy half ounce, but $657.31 is a lot of money to pay for somebody that don't make that much money anymore. And the premium on the 1/10 ounce is kind of high, though. It's really bad on the 1/20th. I may do an unboxing when they get here. They hold the checks for, I think, 5 days. And then it'll be a couple of days, 2 or 3 days for it to ship. So it might be as many as 10 days before it actually gets here. And I ordered this one little coin holder. I seriously doubt, because I probably won't buy very many 1/10 ounce anyway, I seriously doubt that I would buy one of these. I mean, like, you could get 25 of them for 59 cents each. Although the weight is killing me. I'm thinking maybe it would be better to just pay. So this is the credit card and stuff. It'd probably be better just to pay with a credit card or debit card and save the few days of shipping, or the few days of mailing the check. I don't know. So this is 161.84, and JM Bullion's 141. So we're looking at a little over $300 that I could have paid my city card almost all the way off. But I've got a big problem. I also put alerts in for the other coins in the series. The number 1, the number 7, or 7 total, and number 4 and number 6. Otherwise, you wind up paying high prices from Amazon for it, or eBay, or wherever. So 1 would be $54.46, but it's out of stock. Okay, so they're asking more for the 2 that I just bought than I just paid for them. Here's number 6 for $82. Number 5, $79. This is the number 1, I believe. Make sure, yeah, that's number 1. Okay, yeah, so instead of $54, $119 plus almost $5, $4.59 for shipping. The Kraken is number 4 in the series, is $90. So wow, that's going to be expensive to collect the rest of them if I can't get them from here. Here you go, the Kraken's number 4. 54.46. See, they're not that expensive if you buy them direct from JM Bullion. But this might be a big mistake trying to collect those. Anyway, I'm going to rate this as a fail. That I spent money I really should not have done. It probably won't be the last time I do that either. It might be, I don't know. Although that might be too expensive to sell on eBay. And that's only if gold goes up high enough to sell it. I bought stuff from JM Bullion for a long time and never knew they actually had a $99 order for free shipping. It's really difficult to buy less than $99 worth. Canadian's gold is 4.9s. It's 24 karat gold instead of U.S. Gold Eagles, which are 22, I believe, karat gold. It doesn't say on it. I don't really care that it's brilliant uncirculated as long as they're not all scuffed up and scratched up. Okay, it just says 1/10th ounce fine gold. Let's see if it says here. Specification. Oh, here we go. Purity is 91.67% gold, so it is 22 karat. Anyway, well, technically I ordered quite a bit last year. I haven't ordered much of anything this year. I hadn't had any money. This is the 650 I did the other video. I don't know if you've seen it or not, but I did that unboxing video.